Good morning everyone. This is Ayushi. Let's continue our English class for class 7th. As you know that already we have discussed so many rules of agreement of subject and verb. Today also we are going to learn about it more. Now let's continue. Yes, before starting today's content, let's recapitulate previous class. Subjects that have the phrase pair of take a singular verb as pair refers to one thing, like a pair of jeans is lying on the ground. Two singular nouns joined by or, either or, and neither nor take a singular verb. Fine. When the subject is made up of two or more nouns joined by correlative conjunctions, the verb agrees with the noun or pronoun that is placed closest to it. Next one, indefinite pronouns such as much, many, anything, nothing, everything, something, either and neither usually take a singular verb. In this, many is exception. After that many, if you are getting plural noun, you have to put here plural verb. If you are getting many then singular, you have to put there singular verb. This much we have done yesterday. Now let's continue further. Today's class, singular subjects followed by words such as well as, along with and besides. Take a singular verb. When the subject is plural, the verb will also be plural. Look at these sentences. Just see here. The teacher along with her students sits down to watch a film. Here you will not say that according to students we are supposed to put here verb. Here we are talking about the teacher. The teacher is a subject. So according to the teacher we have to put this verb over here. The teacher is singular. That's why verb fifth form we have to put here sits. A good book as well as the company of friends makes her happy. Now here makes, we have put makes according to a good book, not accordingly with the friends. Fine. So here we are talking about a good book makes her happy. Fine. We are not talking about friends. The dolphins along with the orca are swimming together in the ocean. Orca is what? A sea mammal. So here we are talking about whom? We are talking about the dolphins. Dolphins plural. Accordingly we have put over here are. Fine students. So in these sentences the verb sits, makes, sits and makes agree with the singular subjects because teacher and a good book. These are the singular subjects. That's why according to these we have to put here singular verb. Whereas the verb are swimming agrees with the plural noun dolphins. Why we have put here are? Just because dolphins is a plural subject. The underlined words are considered extra information which do not alter the meaning of the sentence when removed. Suppose if we are going to remove these words, those are underlined, then no issue at all. Fine. Then also our sentence will be grammatically exactly correct. Fine. So that's why only these are subjects, and these if we want we can remove even. So that's why we have to see the sentence carefully, and if you are getting these kind of words as well as, along with and besides, then you are not supposed to see these words. Before that you have to see which noun is given. Fine students, the noun is it don't affect the subject verb agreement in the sentence. One more thing, for nouns preceded by one of, we use a singular verb even though the noun is always plural. As you can see here, one of my friends works for Google. Now you will say, ma'am, according to friends, friends is what? Plural. So we should put here only verb first form. But we have put over here verb fifth form. Why? Just because one of my friends means I have so many friends and any one is working with Google. Isn't it? So here I am talking about only one person. Fine. So whenever you are getting this one of, after that you have to put singular verb. One of the good things about summer is that you get plenty of mangoes. Now in summer so many good things are there, but one we are talking about, that is plenty of mangoes. Okay, that one thing is most important. Fine. That's why whenever you are getting this one of, after that you will always get a plural noun, but you always have to put singular verb. Fine. I hope this much is clear. The next rule is distances, periods of time and sums of money when considered as a single unit take a singular verb. Here see 10 miles is a long distance to walk. That is distance we are talking about, and only single unit means 10 miles altogether. That is a long distance to walk. That's why we have put here singular verb. 5 years is a long time to not meet your friends. Periods of time when we have just joined the or complete 5 years, then we are saying this is a long time to not meet your friends. $10,000 is the prize money offered in the game show. Here the whole amount we are talking about in a single unit, that is $10,000, is we have to use singular verb. Fine. So distances, periods of time and sums of money when considered as a single unit, you always have to put a singular verb. Now the next rule, words that indicate quantity means how much quantity, such as all, none, some, most, more, enough, plenty and a lot of, take a singular verb when the subject is singular and a plural verb when the subject is plural. It's very easy. Whenever you are getting these words, after that you have to see whatever noun is given. If noun is singular, we have to put singular verb. If noun is plural, we have to put plural verb. See here, a lot of two chocolate fudge cakes. Cakes is what? Plural. That's why we have to put here plural verb, and we have put have already been served. Have is what? Plural one. All the boys again plural. That's why we have put here plural one, have taken the vaccine. Some of the cake. Now you see here cake. Cake is what? Singular. That's why we have put here is. Some of the cake is in the fridge. Suppose here will be some of the cakes. Then we have to put here are in the fridge. Fine. So just near the verb you have to see whatever noun is given, accordingly you have to put the verb. Plenty of new dishes of food. Now here we are talking about new dishes. Okay, and even food is what? Uncountable. So food will remain even food only. So just near the blank we have seen that uncountable is given. That is means it will remain unchanged. With this also we have to put here plural verb. So plenty of new dishes of food are left for any guest who arrive later. Fine. The very first one, distances, periods of time and sums of money when considered as a single unit, they always take a singular verb. Second one, whenever these kind of quantity words you are getting, after that you have to see whatever noun is given. If noun is singular, you have to put singular one. If noun is plural, you have to put plural verb. Fine. And the last one is titles of books always take a singular verb even if the name has plural nouns. Titles of the books. See, A Tale of Two Cities is a popular novel by Charles Dickens. Now you will say, according to cities, we are supposed to put over here are. But no, exactly this is a single name of a novel. Fine. So accordingly, it's only one novel. Fine. That's why we have to put here singular verb. The Arabian Nights, again only one book is given here. That's why is a book that we all love to read. I hope you all have understood. Now some questions for you. This is your classwork, students. Fill in the blanks with the correct options. The soldiers as well as the king dash fighting bravely in the battle. Now if you remember the first rule, that is as well as. Whenever you are getting this kind of phrase, you have to see before it whatever noun is given. Accordingly you have to put your verb. Now see, before as well as, what is given? The soldiers. This is our plural noun. So we have to put here plural verb. So we have put here are, because here we are talking about soldiers. Fine. Not the king. 365 as the sum of numbers here. So 365 makes up the number of days we have in a year. So whenever we are having distance, period of time, sums of money, so in that condition you always have to put singular verb. So makes we have put here. The principal along with teacher. Now see, that is, here we are talking about the principal. Fine. So not both of them we are talking about, only the principal we are talking about. The principal greets the chief guest warmly. So with principal singular one, we have to put here singular verb, that is verb fifth form. Each of the boys is correct. Each means among so many boys, one, each and every one. So that's why we have to put here singular, one is correct. None of the books is available, means not even a single one we are talking about. So that's why we have to put here singular one, that is. Fine. Last 5 questions. Moni and her brother, here two persons are there, Moni, and they are joined by using and. Fine. So whenever we have to join two nouns by using and, we have to put here plural verb. That's why we have put here have. Moni and her brother have watched the film. Next one, either Dhoni or Kohli is going to captain the team tomorrow. Now see, either or is given and you have to see the noun. In this rule, I told you near the blank, whatever noun is given, accordingly you have to put your verb. Kohli is what? Singular. That's why we have to put here singular verb. Fine, means whether Dhoni will be the captain or Kohli, any one will be. Accordingly, we have to put here singular verb. Next one, the standard meal of roti, rice, vegetables and dal is available at the mess for lunch. Here, we are not talking about all the things. Actually, we are talking about the standard meal only. Fine. And that's why this is what? Singular one. Okay. Rupees 20,000 is the price of this computer. Now, the whole single unit we are talking about, that is rupees 20,000. That's why we have to put here singular verb. Last sentence, neither my brother nor my parents know about my grade card. As again the same rule, in this what happened, both were singular and even nearby the blank, the whatever noun is given, accordingly you have to put the verb. Here my parents, this is what? Plural, so we have to put here plural verb, that is verb first form. Fine. So neither my brother nor my parents know about my grade card. Fine, students. Now, I hope you all have understood these rules clearly and you can easily use these sentences while framing a correct sentence. Thank you.